Our favorite Windows 10 has officially come to end of life on October 14, 2025. It means if your PC is still running Windows 10, you will no longer receive security patches from Microsoft, thereby putting your PC at risk of cyber attack. Many other PCs today do not meet up with the official requirements to upgrade to Windows 11. Do you desire to install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC? Do you have limited knowledge or no experience in installing Windows operating system? This video is for you, as I will show you step-by-step guide on how to install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC. My name is Josiah. I am an IT professional with over 25 years of experience. Please subscribe to my channel so that it will encourage me to produce more tutorial videos like this. What are the requirements for installing Windows 11 on your PC? 1. You need 8GB flash drive to copy the installation media. 2. You need a minimum of 4GB RAM. Preferably, let it be 8GB RAM. 3. Your hard drive should be a solid-state drive for better performance. 4. You need internet connection to download the Windows installation file. And lastly, do not forget to back up all your important documents before the installation begins. The installation is in 3 stages. Stage 1 is downloading Windows ISO file from the internet. The safest way to get Windows 11 installation file is to download it from the official website of Microsoft. In the address bar of your web browser, type Windows 11 download and press enter. The browser will return with the search result. The first result with the Microsoft website logo is the link. Click on it and it will take you to the page to download the installation file. Scroll down the page to where you see download Windows 11 disk image. Click on the box that says select download and choose Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. Then click on confirm. The next step is to select the language of the Windows 11 ISO file. In this guide, I will choose English. Then click on confirm. Lastly, under download Windows 11 in the language you selected, click on 64-bit download. It will automatically start to download the Windows 11 ISO file, which is 7.2 GB in size. It might take minutes or hours, depending on the speed of your internet connection. Stage 2 of this installation process is to download Rufus application and prepare the installation media. In the address bar of your web browser, type Rufus download and press enter. In the search results, click on the first link with the Rufus website. This will take you to the page where you download the Rufus application. Scroll down the page to where it is written latest releases. Click on the version of Rufus program that meets your system requirements. The first option will work for you. This will download the application. Open the Rufus application. The interface looks like this. There are 4 steps to follow to complete preparation of the installation media. Step 1. Select the flash drive you want to use for the installation. At this point, you should have connected your flash drive to the USB ports in your system. Click the box under Device and select the flash drive you plug into your PC. Step 2. Under Boot Selection, click on Select button to select the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded earlier. Browse to where the file is located, usually in the download folder, and click on the file. It will appear like this. Step 3. Under Partition Scheme, choose the partition scheme, either GPT or MBRO. GPT partition is a modern partition scheme that supports more than 2TB hard drive size, while MBRO is the older partition scheme that supports less than 2TB hard drive size. GPT works on most modern computers. Step 4. Click on Stacks. This will bring the next screen to customize Windows installation. Click on the first 3 boxes to remove Microsoft's strict requirements of Secure Boot, TPM 2.0 and Microsoft account. The 5 boxes allow you to manually specify the name of the local account you want to use for this installation. Just type your name there. Click on OK to start the process. A warning message will appear that all data in the flash drive will be destroyed. Click OK to proceed. At this point, if you have not copied your important document out from your PC, please do so before you start the installation properly, as everything in a hard drive will be deleted. Stage 3 of this installation is to boot from your installation media. To boot from your installation flash drive, press the appropriate key to activate the boot menu option. Pause this video to view the list of bootable keys for different PC manufacturers. The one for HP which I'm using is F9 key. Immediately you power on your PC, press the Able to boot menu key and it will show you the boot menu option. Select USB drive and press enter key. The system will prompt you to press any key to boot from USB. Wait for it to boot from the installation media. In the next screen, you will be prompted to select your language. Select the language and click on Next. Then select keyboard setting, which is by default US, and click on Next. The next screen asks you to choose between these two options: install Windows 11 or repair my PC. Choose the first option, install Windows 11. Then click on the box which shows you agree that everything in your PC will be deleted, and click on Next. The next screen will ask you to enter the product key for Windows. If you have the product key, enter it in the box provided, but if not, click on I don't have the product key. The installation will still proceed without the product key. Click on Next. Click on the Windows version you want to install. In this installation, I will select Windows 11 Pro and click on Next to take you to the agreement page, then click on Accept. Next, you are prompted to select the location you want to restore the Windows to and click Next. Then, click on Install in this screen to proceed with the installation, which will take a couple of minutes depending on the speed of your PC. Sit back and allow it to get to 100%. Your PC will automatically restart 2 times to continue the installation by itself. The next screen will ask you to select your country or region, then click Next. Your PC will automatically restart for the last time. Click on Next after you have activated all your privacy settings from the list, after which you will see Windows 11 welcome screen. Hooray! You have completed the installation. If you enjoyed the installation procedures, kindly click on subscribe button, share and comment. Thank you for watching.